Hey y'all, how's it going? Charles here from AllCoastLawncare and Pressure Washing. Just want to make a little clip of me mowing a recurring customer's yard. We picked them up end of last year, and I recommended, hey sir, I want to give you one more mow, you know what I mean, before the season ends. And he said, no, thank you, I'll be okay. I'm like, all right, sir. Hey, but guess what? He called me back this year. So we're in March, and the lawn care season already started. All right, and as you can see right here, is like high growth in the back. So he has like a lot of dormant grass, and I ain't lying, like this yard needs to be detached because when I did that cleanup last year for him, it was like big time high growth, y'all. All right, the last tenant wasn't taking care of the yard, and I did do I did do a video of that if I want to go find it out in my in the videos on my channel. But other than that, y'all, he doesn't live there because there's a lot of fixing up that the house needs that needs to happen inside the house. So he lives out in town. He's gonna rent it out. So in saying that, because he's not there, per our policy, if a tenant is not living there, we need a payment in advance. That's just our policy, y'all. Y'all could do it how y'all want to. But since I have a good feeling about this customer, he's real friendly, he's real quick. I got a good vibe with him, so I didn't really request a payment in advance. He called us up. He needs it done. That says a lot right there. So once I got the yard done, I did before and after pictures. I sent it to him, and bam, he paid me like that. So, hey, but if y'all want to like get a payment in advance if a customer's not living there or if they're about to move out, you know what I mean, in a couple of days, hey, that's up to y'all. Other than that, y'all, I just charged them the full maintenance charge of mowing, edging, and string trimming of the yard. It wasn't a big deal, y'all. I just did this all in one pass, all right? I got mulching blades on the mower. I dropped it to 2 1/4, and the mower did the job. Hey, please like and subscribe. At all times, never quit or give up. And God bless. See you on the next video.